A lot of us are holding emotion and tension, and all that somatic holding is happening, like you said, in the psoas and in those surrounding pelvic floor muscles. Like I'm thinking of when we roll the adductors, the inner thighs, and like the inner quadriceps. These are all tissues that communicate to the pelvic floor. They're directly linked through the deep front line of fascia. Yes, you do want to work from the biggest part of the joint out if you can. And if you can't, there are other really helpful things that you can do that work along. And that's like the whole reason why fascia is handy, because it's a continuous system and there happen to be lines, right? There's that deep front line, there's the superficial back line. There are trains all throughout the body. If you can't access another part of it that's really holding tension, but you can access one part of it, it will affect the whole line. It's useful to know where the lines are and make those connections for yourself